Hello guys, this is Taskbe and today I'm going to show you how the forgot password work. So here is the option for the forgot password on the main page. Once you click on that, you will be redirect to the uh, forgot password page, and here you can see the field like email address. Once you enter your registered email ID and press send button, then the email will be sent to your registered mail ID, and from there you can get the link for change the password for the Taskbe. So here you can see email has been sent successfully to your email ID. From your email you can change the password. Thank you.